Alright, here we go. Got another one for y'all. What we're going to do is try to do a flower print. Is what we're calling this. Got the bag of flour, 3/8 board behind the flour, catching in the denim. What I want to do is just try to compare the hole in the board, the print, and see if there's any size difference after the bullet passes through the denim. And so yeah, this is a new one for us. We're calling it the flower print. Anyway, I know the name's real original, but here you go. 350 Legend Winchester Super X power points, 180 grain. Y'all stay tuned. All right, going to try the a flower print. That's got a 3/8 inch board behind the flower. I'm kind of wanting to see the expansion after it hits the flower, hits the board, and see if there's actually any difference. You know, if it clears the first pair of denim jeans, yeah, from the size of the hole to the size of the bullet after it goes through the denim. Again, about 50 yards. And we squash the board. Hopefully we can put it together. Alright, blew another nice hole in the back of the flower. Let's see if we can, well, I don't think this is gonna, there's your hole right there. Trying to keep it from, so there's a hole. Doesn't look like we're gonna get an accurate print on this one. Might have to go to a smaller board to tape it. We'll try that next time. Alright, here we go. 350 Legend. This is the flower print, which we did not have a good print. I gotta figure something else out on the board. Probably put some tape around it. Probably try a 1/4 inch board with tape. That way it'll hold together and just punch a hole instead of breaking it into pieces. So here we go with this. On with the show. Hit the flower. Kind of like the last one. Going from the flower. Here we go. That's the last one. You know, it's holding the same kind of shape, but then we got the board in there doing its thing, chewing it up, getting a little gnarly, and that's it. Hitting in the denim. Let's see what we got on expansion. Let's try to find the widest. 0.7. Not too bad. That's double the size. Let's see on the weight. I know y'all can't see it, but I'll read it out to y'all. Out of 180 grain, we still got almost 175. It's dancing around 175, 174, which it's almost, I mean, that's consistent with the other one that went through the flower. So it's definitely a consistent bullet, which is always a plus, especially when you are hunting. Definitely when you're hunting, that's a plus. So that was definitely interesting results. I wish we could have got the print to actually see if there was a difference in the denim. Yeah, if the denim did anything more to it or not, but we'll try to figure it out and bring it back to y'all again. Thanks for watching.